guys, welcome to my brand new channel. This is one of my very first videos, so welcome. It's not my first video, it's probably like my third or fourth, but yeah, welcome guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how I chaotically, and I mean chaotically, installed and did this synthetic wig. Don't look at the lace. I know I need to pluck it and I need to just work on it a little bit more before it actually looks decent. But I worked with what I could and this was the final result. So if you're interested in how I achieved this hair, oh, and makeup as well, I did some makeup, so if you're interested in how I got this overall look, then please keep watching, and please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Like, for real, please do like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to check out my other videos. I have some quite interesting first few videos, so please do check those out. So first up, I just want to quickly show you what the hair looked like before I cut it. As you can see, it was super long and I think it was 26 or 30 inches of synthetic hair. And you might be wondering, why am I putting my hands so seamlessly through this? Please do check out my other video on my channel where I show you how to get your synthetic wigs completely tangle free, like for good. Please do check that video out. And here is me looking completely disappointed in myself because I forgot to press record, guys, but I did manage to kind of show you a little snippet of me cutting the last piece. But overall, this was how short I cut the hair, and as you can see, it brushes through so beautifully. So at this point, as you can see, I have put the wig on my head and I am just measuring out the lace and where I'm going to cut it around my ears. And I don't know if my head is just too small, but I find that wigs always fit too big around my ear area. But anyways, I managed to cut that and I'm going to start applying my got2b glue and freeze spray all around the perimeter of my big forehead. Try not to get it on my hairline as much as possible. And then I'm going to wrap that with a scarf and let that sit and dry while I do my makeup. Okay guys, this is the part where you need to brace yourself. I honestly think the wig looks great like this, and I should have just cut the lace and left the edges nice and wispy, but instead I decided to go ahead and attempt baby hairs. Guys, if I was you, I would just cover your eyes at this point, or you can keep watching and see the disgrace that happened to this lace. So as you just saw, I cut down the baby hairs to be a bit shorter, and then I just brushed them forward with some gel. Then I just combed the hair back with a heated straightening comb because this wig is heat resistant, so it was perfectly fine. Okay, so here we go. As you can see, I slicked back 2 edges, and I think it looks completely fine like this. But guys, it gets worse. It really gets worse. So as I'm fiddling about with the lace and the baby hairs, I'm noticing bits and pieces of the lace that need to be cut off some more, and then it just turned into a hot mess. So I just kept cutting away at the lace to try and get it as even as possible, but every time I would cut, I would reveal more lace and more hairs that needed to be slicked down, and eventually guys, I just couldn't do it. So I ended up just slicking everything back / to the side. I think this is the best we're gonna get. It is a synthetic wig, remember. I'm hoping I'm hoping this looks better on camera than it does in person. I feel like when you look at it from afar and just squint your eyes, it's okay. Let me put some earrings in and just get myself together, and then I'll film the outro. So that was very chaotic and not how I expected it to go. I thought this would be way easier than what I planned in mind, but it's okay. Like, it looks better on the camera than it does in person. At least that's what I'm hoping for. You guys let me know. But for a synthetic wig that was like £43, I think this is amazing. Anyways guys, I feel like a second install of this wig will go far better than it did today, especially if I just pluck around this area. I don't have time to do that right now, but I think if I did pluck around this area and made it more natural, it would lay better and just look a bit more natural. But for now, I'm happy-ish with the results. My hairstyles that never really go perfectly, so I don't know. I think I'm happy with it. I think, you know, it's okay. But yeah guys, thank you so much for getting ready with me to go nowhere. So that's all for me guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.